Hi, my loves. Good morning. Today is Monday. Welcome to this week's vlog. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My name is Utopat. I'm a fashion, lifestyle, and beauty creator, and also a registered nurse. So, yeah, today is Monday. There are some things I need to do, but before I go into that, I want to create content today. But before I go into that, I have something to show you guys. My hair arrived. I love it. It's so fine and cute. It's giving. It looks like Burmese curls, but it's actually a pixie curl. Let me wear it and show you guys. I'm so excited. Do we love? I love it. I'm so excited. It's giving new week. It's giving dirty December. Although my December is not going to be dirty, but like I love it. I really love it. Like she did so well. I told you guys should patronize her. You I posted her in my previous vlog, and maybe I might put her name on the screen so you guys can check her out on Instagram or TikTok, any of the social media. So let's begin today. Hello, good morning, loves. Today is Tuesday, and I'm prepared. I want to go and pick up my certificate slash something related to school. So you guys will be coming with me to school. So the sun in that place is so terrible, so hot. So a face cap, I'm wearing a face cap, a denim, my flats, and carrying this tote bag because it's big and it can contain the books that are inside. So yeah, let's go. I just got back. Hi guys, today is Wednesday. I don't know if I've actually come to the vlog already. So guys, the two things I actually got, like things I've actually been wanting that I finally got. If you've actually been watching my vlog, you will know that there was a time I ordered gin from Lagos and the vendor brought me nonsense. Like the sizing was bad, the quality no, the quality was actually good. I won't lie, but the sizing, and not just that the sizing is bad, she gave me a very small size of what I asked for and texted her back. She didn't reply. So I saw another vendor and I was like, should I buy from her? And I was like, okay, let me just try and buy from this particular vendor. And I said I'm going to buy only one denim trouser so that if it's bad, at least I can endure one. And if it's a smaller size, I can give it to any of my friends. You get. And guys, I bought this trouser. It took time. Oh. I don't know why she mistakenly missed my order, but like she texted me, she sent me voice note apologizing and stuff like that. And even when she like delivered it, like she sent a video, a one-time video of like her packaging it and stuff like that. So I was very, very happy. I'm going to put her handle here. I like people that have good customer service. So this is the trouser. The quality is so good, and it's not just so good, it's so neat, and the length too is so on point. Because if you know me, I'm a jean lover. I love denim trouser. I'll show you guys a set of jeans I have, but like with time, I think this my jeans that I have now. I'm not going to be wearing like three anymore because they're not really my style anymore. So I'm going to be buying more. And I've also been wanting a silk skirt in black, and I saw this one in a cheaper rates from F&F. I don't know. Is a fast fashion like Fashion Nova. This is a long skirt. I don't know. Should I wear it, guys? I'm actually using today to rest. I plan not to do anything before then. They called me for come and pick up my order, which I did not actually. Dispatch rider brought it for me. So another thing I want to do now is for us to cut my lace of my wig that I bought. I normally tell my wig vendor to like cut it for me, but like I think she forgot and I have to cut it by myself. I think I'm going to cut it holding it instead of wearing it. Let me try. So I've cut it now, guys. It's not bad. It's okay. I don't know this particular edge. I think I'm going to cut it later. Oh wait, I should cut it while it's on my head right now. So I just feel like I'll just be showing you guys my food. Breakfast. Guys, I can't speak up. Oh my guys, I just picked up my clothes from the dry cleaner. This tie is so cute. Guess what I've been craving? I've been craving this for a while and I decided to get it. Why not? Because since it's in the direction of where I went to today, I decided to buy it. So yeah, this is roasted yam and plantain, and this is the peppered sauce that I'm going to use to eat with it. Okay, open the sauce, and this is the assorted yam and plantain. So let's eat. I just washed my hand and let's start from the plantain. But let's take this big plantain first. Join me. Mm, 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 mm. So good. So good. Mm, mm. I want to use cutlery so that it won't stain my nails. my nails is getting I need to. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Mm, mm, mm. I feel like I don't used to really show my character very, very well on this channel, which I should be because it's my YouTube channel. Like my YouTube channel is when I can where I can do anything I want to do, and so you guys can actually see my true character. You know that sticker? I think I'll put the sticker. I wish I still have that sticker. God, that sticker so far in my hand. So today's agenda, I'm going to guys. Stranger Things season 5 is out. Season 5 is out, and I don't know if I should start watching it. I've actually started watching episode 1, but not just that. Um, I have something coming up that I have to read for, so I think I'm going to like pause it so that it's not be. I'll watch. I'll not be judging myself. Why not read your book? Blah, blah, blah. So I think I'm going to just probably just finish episode 1 and wait and for the this thing to be done, then I'll complete it. So I've concluded on doing vlogmas. So I'll just title the vlogs for December vlogmas, and I'll try my best to post 2 times in a week during from December 1st to December 25th or probably 31st. So yeah, and also I was thinking of something, guys. I realized in this vlog that it's not like I don't realize that most times I go out, I don't really vlog like that. So I've decided to be going on dates every week, once in a week. I'm thinking of choosing Fridays because I think Friday is going to be better for me. I want to be going on solo dates, whether solo dates or mostly solo dates on Fridays. I want to be going out every Friday. Courtesy to my sponsors, if they are watching these vlogs, people are sponsoring my outing every Friday. It must not be like to go out and like eat and stuff. Just step out, not to always be indoor and stuff like that. And now that I've not been working for almost a month now, no, it's not up to a month, but like I need to like be going out and stuff like that and be socializing. Yeah, so I've decided to be going out every Friday. Apart from this Friday, we'll start the outing by next week Friday. So yeah, earlier that we go harder 2026. I want to take my workout seriously next year, my skincare seriously, my eating habits seriously, like everything. I think I'm going to like if you go down to my previous vlog, I normally do a sit down video. So I think I'm going to do continue doing that very, very well on 2026. And I'm going to like actually start this 2025 ending. I'm going to start doing a midweek sit down vlog. Maybe we'll talk about life, talk about school, talk about um friendship, relationships, healthy eating, like life in general, like just catch up and stuff like that. I think I'm going to do incorporate that very, very well in next year. This thing I actually started it. I was doing it middle of week, posting it on Wednesdays, but I just got so busy and I stopped. And I think I'm going to continue doing that because I really love that, and people actually love that because it got engagement, like editing, fashion, things about fashion, things about like life in general as a girl, life in your 20s, life in your teenage age, life in your 30s, and so on and so forth. I think I'm going to actually put that into consideration too, and I'll surely be doing that. So yeah, that's what I'm just here to yap. And we're going to be ending the vlog today actually too. So I don't really have much I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to my challenge and watching movie. No, I'm not going to really watch movie. I'm going to actually read my book. I'm just thinking what I'm going to actually do today to like take you guys with me before I actually end the vlog. And yeah, I don't really have anything to actually do today. I just need to like I actually like cleaned, like you guys can see like everywhere is, I don't know if you can see though, like I cleaned, like organized my closets, my wigs and stuff. I don't know, I think I need like more wig stand that can display like my shorter wigs on this place, then like the longer wigs will be on that rack. Yeah. So yeah, I think that's the end. I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, comment, share to your friends, and see you in the next vlog.